First, let us start on how to connect a SQL Server with our Access database. First, go to Access and click on Blank Desktop Database. Here, it will ask you to give a name for your new database. I'm just going to give as demo. Once the Access is open, click on External Data and then click on ODBC Database. You'll get two options. Click on Link to the data source by creating a link table and click on OK. In the New Data Source pop-up box, select the Machine Data Source option, which is on top. Here, you'll be able to create a new link to your SQL data source. So I'm going to click on New. Just click on OK if you receive pop-ups in between. Now, click on Next and make sure that the user data source is selected. Here, you have to now select a driver for your Access database. Scroll down until the very end where you can locate the SQL Server driver and then click on Next. Make sure that the user data source and the driver are selected as SQL Server and then click on Finish. This is the name that you can give to your database, so I'm just going to give it as library. The server is similar to the one you used for the SQL, which is IST S students. So the server is iststudents.syr.edu. Then click on Next. You don't have to change any of these options, just click on Finish. Now this pop-up box will now allow you to test if the connection is valid. When you click on Test Data Source, if it says tests are completed successfully, means that you have successfully linked your SQL Server with your MS Access. Click on OK. It will again ask you for your SQL Server login, so enter your password and then click on OK. Now, Link Tables pop-up box now will allow you to link some of the tables in your SQL Server with your MS Access. So you can select the tables that you want to link. I'm going to select the tables related to the library database. Once you have selected all the tables that you need to link, click on OK. You can see that now the tables that you want to link are appearing in your Access database. You can double click to view the rows or records in each of these tables. So once you add data or insert rows in your SQL Server, it will be reflected in your MS Access database. If it's not reflected, you can just refresh all to sync up both your SQL Server tables and your MS Access tables.